Alright, so we got a 2013 Toyota Tundra, old school body. I want to bypass the fog lights. This is the relay for the fog lights right there. So what I'm going to do, that's the ground. I bend the pin and I just hooked it up to the chassis right here. That's it. So now when I turn them on, when I turn on my switch, my fog lights come on. With my turn signals. If I turn on everything, I got my headlamps and my fog lights. If I turn them off, everything is off. Nothing on. Fog light, headlamp, fog lamp, boom, done.